this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero slow motion issue on PC. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Click on View. Select Show, then click on Hidden Items. Open the App Data folder. Open the Local folder. Open the Sparking Zero folder. Open the Saved folder. Open the Config folder. Open the Windows folder. Open Engine. Go to the bottom of the text. Copy the text that you will find in the prescription of this video. Paste the text in the engine file. Click on File and then select Save. Now launch your game. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.